about it. My answer.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, the Heal Humanity teams are here in Morocco assisting with the earthquake victims. Today we will be visiting the area of Taroudant where there is a lot of need. Inshallah, with your support we have managed to fundraise and purchase these food items. Each food packet will consist of roughly these items: 2 kg worth of lentils, 2 kg rice, 5 kg sugar, some biscuits, 2 packs of milk, tea bags, we've got jam here, fish tins, chocolate and butter, and water packets. This is their necessity, and inshallah continue to show your support. We have roughly over 100 food parcels to be distributed today.
Always watching us, guiding us, and He knows what's deep in our hearts. So when you lose your way, to Allah you should turn, 'cause as He promised, He will always be there. He brings us out from the darkness into the light. Subhanallah, capable of everything. We should never feel afraid of anything, as long as we follow His guidance all the way.
Alhamdulillah, we've just got to this remote village here, and we realized that these people here are in dire need of these food packs. So Alhamdulillah, we're going to give them some warm clothes, some tents, and inshallah please make dua for us that Allah makes it easy. And inshallah, thank you very much to all our donors.
Be there to bless us with His love and His mercy, 'cause as He promised, He will always be there. He's always watching us, guiding us, and He knows what's deep in our hearts.
اللهم اغفر لهم وارحمهم واعف عنهم وعافيهم واكرم نزلهم ووسع مدخلهم واغسلهم بالماء والثلج والبرد ونقهم من الذنوب ومن الخطايا كما ينقى الثوب الابيض من الدنس.